How to add an Amazon affiliate link to a YouTube video. First, we want to create an account on affiliate/program.amazon.com. If we don't already have an Amazon Associates account, then once we create an account here, it will basically link our original Amazon account with Amazon Associates, and we will become an affiliate. I have a separate tutorial on this if you need any help. But if you already have an Amazon Associates account, then here you will get this Amazon Associates site stripe. This is really important for us to actually generate links. So here I am now on the official Amazon.com website. We want to choose the product that we want to promote in our YouTube video description. So I'm going to do camera and just search for it. So for example, let's take this first one that I see. I'm just going to click on it, and here we have to now select this blue text button from the Amazon Associates site stripe. Once we click on it, it will generate a short link for us, or we can do a full link, but this doesn't look very good, so people prefer short links. It looks cleaner this way. And I'm just going to right click and copy this link. Now if people click on this link, it will refer them to this page. If they make a purchase, then you will earn a commission, and if they keep on scrolling here on Amazon and make a purchase after being referred by your link, you will still earn a commission even if they don't purchase this product itself. Now how do we add it to YouTube? Well, basically you want to open up your channel. You'll go to content here from the YouTube Studio. So I've clicked on YouTube Studio here from the side. And then let's say I want to add this link to my top video here. I click on the little pencil icon, and we can do a few spaces. And for example, camera used. We can type it out like this, and we want to right click and paste this link here. So like I said, if people now click on this link, it will appear in the YouTube results or in your YouTube description. If people click on this link and they make any purchase, you will earn a commission. So basically after you have filled this out, you just want to click on save, and this will successfully have added your Amazon affiliate link to YouTube. So hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.